Hey everybody, welcome to the all-new 256 RL. What I really like about this floor plan is this looks like a couple's coach, but it has the ability to sleep 5 to even 6 campers very comfortably, depending on the size of the campers. These 2 recliners will recline all the way back, so you have very comfortable seating for you and your guest camper. Also, they didn't spare on any of the utility. Across the entire back of this floor plan, you've got storage here on the uppers. Below that, as you guys can tell, a lot of natural light coming through here, even with these privacy blinds down. And all of these windows, as Prowler always does, they ensure that they open, so you don't have to tax that AC unit that you have. Allow Mother Nature to help cool your coach. Think about having a lot of guests at your campsite, having very open conversation no matter where any of your guests are sitting here in this floor plan. I love what they've done with this pressed countertop with a soft beveled edge, no sharp corners. You've got a double bowl stainless steel sink. I love the hardware that they have included here with the sink, as well as with your handles here on all of the storage. You have a nice spice rack here. You're able to utilize the entire counter space for 2 reasons. One, your uppers are mounted very, very high, leaving a lot of room to utilize the back of the counter to this massive window that again will open. And you are not inhibited by this 3-burner stove because they put a nice glass top that is flush with the rest of this counter space to make it fully utilized when you are preparing your next meal. You've got a 10.7 cubic foot reefer. Now, please check with your authorized Prowler dealer if you plan to boondock and you want that LP gas combo. You will have that as an option. Talk to the dealer. You've got a jackknife sofa. The center back will come down so you can utilize cup holder space for entertaining, having discussions. Again, that cross conversation, very easy to do in this floor plan. Let's say you've got an additional guest, sitting for 3. If you need storage in the jackknife, right below your seat, you've got storage. And lastly, sleeping to utilize, depending on the size of your campers, 1 to 2 campers here. I just want to point out how big this U-shaped dinette is. Remember, I'm 6'3", 250. I have my big winter snow boots on, and I can get in and behind this table, no problem. I think this could easily accommodate 4 to maybe even 5, maybe 6 if your campers are small in size. There is no carpet in this floor plan, just like Prowler in any of the floor plans. The only thing you will see is on this slide, you have a marine grade woven fabric, mitigate against odor, debris, very durable, much stronger, and will give you a much longer life than carpet. Also, let's talk about comfort. Because Prowler utilizes the H-Blast system, that's 2 ducts running in this floor plan. So at this price category, folks, most are going to be a single duct. So with Prowler and the H-Blast, you are going to cool your coach, this floor plan, 50% faster than other models you will see at this price point. Now let's move here to where your entertainment's gonna be. With their radio system, not only is this Bluetooth, so you can play your favorite music playlist, it has pass-through HDMI. So I'm gonna make it really simple. All that means, your little camper brings that accessory item like that Nintendo Switch or the PS5, they can set it right in here into this cabinet. They take that HDMI cable, you don't even mess with the back of the TV, you put it into the face of the radio and it will pass through and project on the TV. Also, you have storage, so the utility continues. Store everything that you need for you and your guests for a wonderful weekend or wherever your trip takes you. You have storage around this 60 by 80 queen size bed. Closets on both sides, elongated nightstands. You have lighting, you have power. You also have pass-through. CPAP machines, smartphones, your laptop, whatever you want to utilize in the evening, you have access on both sides of the closet. Storage continues here at the foot of the bed. Notice how it's blocked off from the pass-through on the outside. That means what you store in here, you're not going to wake up in the morning and find it outside damp and cold. Great design here by the Prowler team. So if you are looking for a towable travel trailer that's going to take you to all your destinations and be very easy to set up at the campsite, there's a lot of features that I did not include in this video. Go to heartlandrvs.com, continue learning about Prowler, and my hope is that it'll be a wonderful choice for you and your family. Thanks everybody.